Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable Google Gemini AI Assistant on any Oppo phone. Now there are two methods to enable Gemini on your smartphone. The first method is if you want to turn on Gemini on the power button of your smartphone. For that, just open Settings, then tap on Accessibility and Convenience. And from here, you will find the option of Power button. Just tap on it. From here, just tap on Press and hold the Power button. Now, instead of the power menu, just select Digital Assistant from Google. And once you do that, you will enable Google Gemini on the power button. Just like that. And the second method is if you want to enable Google Gemini on the home button. For that, just open Settings, then tap on System and Update. Then tap on System Navigation. Under the button navigation section, you will find the option of Wake a Digital Assistant from Google with home button. Now just enable this toggle, and once you enable this toggle, you will be able to launch Gemini Assistant by pressing and holding the home button. Just like that. And this is how you can enable Google Gemini Assistant on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.